An official. So we got official. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I thought McNugget just sounded good. I'm not supposed to be in a box. Oh, 10.
10. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, or else I would have killed everyone like I'm about to do right now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright.
But homeboy did 51.
Well, but he did him what, in 14 minutes and 31 seconds?
I think that's a lot of time.
Hey, that's a lot, right? You're supposed to do maybe in 5 minutes?
Little things are. You gotta be at eat a box at a time, pretty much.
Yeah.
That's what he's gonna try to do. Oh, if you get famous, turn away. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna get famous this way. This is my fame. Yep. I got my YouTube channel.
A challenge to whoever comes.
Because I need some type of, I need real documentation. We need to make this official. And then after, I'm gonna calculate how much total fat and saturation,
timing.
You should put it all on video.
Well, I'm gonna put it on video, but I'm just gonna look at the timer. I want to make sure I open all these sauces, so it doesn't.
Will you get better tone? You don't use any salt?
No, we have to.
Yeah, he wants the calories to go with it.
You're gonna time me?
Yeah, hold on.
Official timekeeper. Open them all up, that's right.
That's lost time right there. I don't know if I can open this one up.
Is that even a focus? Is that even on you?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I think you should have someone sitting across from you.
If you want, Melanie.
Melanie doing color commentary / videographer.
But you can sit down. I don't want you to stand up all day.
So when you're ready, do what?
No, it's already recording.
Oh, it's already
When
recording.
you take your first bite, I'm gonna start.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's go, Mike.
He's off to a strong start. I think there should be a safety word in case you get sick.
That's what we have normal for.
30 seconds. Is there a difference between the extra crispy and these in terms of difficulty in eating?
I don't think so. I think they probably forgot about mine. Left them frying a little longer.
One minute.
And he takes a drink.
You're supposed to add, you're supposed to say things while you're filming.
You can. I'll do the filming. You be the commentator.
Now we got one left to go for the first box, ladies and gentlemen. There goes the first box.
2011.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
2011 McNugget off.
And as you'll note, we have a combination of several different sauces available here that we're using. And the first nugget of the second box, in the mouth. At 1 minute, 45 seconds.
Was there a certain technique that you're using? No.
I'm just eating.
2 minutes.
Nuggets.
Were you hungry when you started?
Now you're rethinking it?
No, we keep going.
Let's go, Mike. Come on.
It's hard.
Let's throw it down.
Stop talking. Eat.
I don't know, when does fatigue run into the mouth from all that chewing?
Three minutes.
Are you gonna make it?
I think I am.
Are you tapping them down under your feet? Is that what you're doing?
You're doing the Kobe.
Make more room in your stomach?
I bet you'd kill me in this.
$2.
That was tough.
Now, once you finish this round, we're going to go into training to defend your title.
4 minutes.
Challenge.
4 minutes. He takes all challenges, apparently.
Are these dead soldiers?
Mm-hmm.
That's right.
Gone.
Bam! 2 of them. 4 minutes.
Almost done.
No. Oh, I'm gonna let you stay down.
5 minutes.
Alright, go with 10 minutes now.
Hey, this is your first run. You know, you just want to get through it. Yeah. Don't count, just go through.
I'm trying to get my mind off of chewing. It's tough. Man.
6 minutes.
4 minutes. Come on. Go.
You got this. Come on.
You can do it, Mike. Come on. Let's go, Mike. Let's go.
It's kind of tough. Thought it was going to be harder. I mean, easier. It's kind of hard. I'm like sweating. I feel it.
How long do you have left?
Well, I'm at 6 minutes, going on 7. So as long as I make it under 10, I think I'll be happy. Oh, there's a burp. No, not like throw up. Like,
7 minutes.
that felt good.
Come on, Mike. You got 3 more minutes.
You can do this, Mike.
Well, what's the record to beat right now?
1450.
So as long as he gets into that.
But I want to make sure I kill it, not like give room for other people to come
And
in.
another box goes down, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, this is good. Pull up the seat.
In 7.5 minutes.
enough liquid to wash it down, but not take up too much room.
That's right.
He's been studying tape from the
Studying what?
tape from the Nathan's hot dog eating contest. He's an up-and-comer. Yeah.
I'm training.
I have faith in you on this, Mike.
My name is Ashley. My blog is not without salt. When I take pictures of my food, you don't want to see spots on the dishes.
I think you should do 2 at once.
8
He's
minutes.
already got, you know, the chipmunk thing going on
When
there.
I start the finish challenge,
He's being pushed. This is...
It's truly a challenge.
It is.
my dishes had a shine on them.
Is he the official timekeeper?
Yes.
We took a notepad with him. No, don't look at the clock.
Focus.
You're doing this for your mom, for your dad,
For the department.
for property.
You gotta represent, Mike.
Who at? 8?
Not quite. A little over 7.5. Yeah, we're at 8.5 now.
Come on, Mike. You can do it.
8.5.
Let's go.
Going down the home stretch, Mike.
Woo!
Take it you're not competing.
I like to enjoy my McNuggets.
9 minutes.
Okay.
Keep focus on the whole record though. You can do that.
You go for PR later on. His backup water is kind of
Swimming traffic.
See their pictures? Yeah.
Kayla.
I thought about challenging her, but I'm like, I'm not gonna do that to myself.
I just don't want to
Yeah. So, you know.
This? He's an athlete.
Yeah.
That's what he is.
We were talking about doing this. I think we'll have to my friend, he really feel that they work on it. I don't know how he does it, and then it's both got
'Come on, Mike, you got it. Keep going.
10 minutes.
No.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Just beat the record. Then you can try again later for your 10 minutes.
Woo! 1 more box down.
Oh, you can do that.
This is it.
He's got 2 more to get to 1 box.
You what?
2 more to get to the 4th box.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
See? Don't take it lightly.
Is this another one?
Yeah. He's on track though. He can do it.
I'm not doing it.
He's just enjoying it.
Oh, okay. I was like, well,
He's
where are
doing it.
yours at? You're almost done then.
He's all casually. Yes, I'm almost there. He's got 11 to go. 10
And
10 to go.
and how long?
4.
11 minutes.
Coming up on 11 minutes.
What? I got a train. No, no, that's
Well, you can do the female.
11
yeah,
minutes.
That's too much for me.
Yeah, with me.
Kayla
I
did
can-
35.
I know, but I can't. She did 37.
Sorry.
I'm 15. I can't even do 10.
Oh, I can do 10.
Yeah,
But
I'm doing 20.
I can't finish
No problem.
10.
37's kind of 50's kind of basic.
Don't count. Keep
Keep
going.
going, Mike. Just keep
Come
going.
on, you're
Don't look
almost
at
there.
I'm really sweating.
it.
From your jaw?
Okay, it says your battery is getting low.
Oh, no.
Oh.
That's funny about it.
No.
I shouldn't have said anything. I'm sure it was Ray. He was trying to scare me in his
Oh my God.
Just keep going, Mike. Don't talk.
You got this.
You got this in the bag.
Chew and swallow. Chew and swallow.
It's
All
in the
right,
bag.
swallow. That's enough chewing.
Just swallow it whole. Don't even
Especially
chew.
don't want to throw up.
Stop it.
12 minutes.
Come on, Mike.
Oh my gosh, Mike, come on.
2.5 minutes.
Pressure's
Go.
on, pressure's on.
Oh, he just went to the towel, ladies and gentlemen.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Just a burp. Let him make room.
That's all it is.
You know you could jump up and down. So it goes
No.
down into the stomach.
Keep going, Mike. We're almost.
All right, let's
only a couple
talkie, more
minutes.
chewy.
I'm serious. You gotta start swallowing.
Yeah, serious. We gotta beat this record. Come on.
Don't let it be in vain. Don't
Come on, come on. You're the golden boy. You're the golden boy. Just dip it in the water. That's what I say. Like, just dip it in the water. You know, like they do with the hot dogs?
Do they have to eat the buns with the hot dog?
Yeah.
Gross. That like grossed me out. I don't watch that.
The soggy one.
Yeah. Well, the whole thing. Come on, Mike. We're running
Come on.
out of time. Swallow.
Where are we
Should
at,
swallow.
Commander?
13.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
Mikey, come on.
Come on, Mikey.
You can do this, Mikey.
Just swallow them. Just
Start swallowing.
take
Come
them
on.
back. Take them back.
It's enough chewing. Swallow.
Yeah.
You have like a minute and a half. Yeah, look at all this. You're almost there, man. You can't.
Just
Don't
who
stop
cares
now.
if you stuff them all in your face? In your mouth. The point is, they're out of the out of the box.
What was that for?
Who needs to clean your hands?
Swallow.
I know.
He's the one who slipped, please.
Come on, Mikey. You're almost there.
Come on, Mike.
Damn it.
Come on, just go. Don't worry about the number. Swallow.
Yeah.
We'll
going.
dislodge it if you choke.
Yeah. I'll do the Heimlich.
14.
Alright, I'm out.
Why?
14 minutes, 10 seconds.
Oh,